Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to view your simple tax documents in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so you know how we do it. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Simple account. You just go onto Simple's website and you can log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the account button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you've chosen that, from the drop down menu, you're going to select tax documents. Next, you can view your tax documents, including your 1099 forms and other relevant documents. And if you want, you can just confirm the documents detail by reviewing the information, and you can basically use that for whatever else that you need it for. That's pretty much it on how to view your simple tax documents in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.